Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1957 Corvette in white with silver coves, and you see the wide white wall tires. But before we get in this vehicle too deep, I want to tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. It's our service and restoration department behind there, and then a little view of our 48,000 square foot indoor facility. We keep about 100 cars in inventory, the domestic classic vehicles, exotics, as you see here, along with some late models, and obviously classic and luxury vehicles as well. We are located in Sarasota, Florida on 301, just north of University, on the corner of 301 and Televast. We can be reached at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for more information about this 57 or any other vehicle that we may have in inventory. As we go through this vehicle, it is just a absolutely stunning restoration. It was not done in-house, but we have looked at the vehicle and gone through the restoration itself, and it has been very well done. Again, this 1957 Corvette. We'll go underneath it, show you the frame and underside. It is as clean, if not cleaner, than the top. The frame is in excellent condition. As we look through here again, the vehicle's been very well done. We do offer financing through third parties, and we also offer shipping services to the folks that may need shipping. About 65% of our customers are outside of the state of Florida, so we do allow shipping or inspections, excuse me. We do allow folks to come in and inspect cars on site. Some folks buy sight unseen, others will call up a buddy and have them come in, and or have an inspector come in. That is up to the customer's discretion, what they're looking for. Our shipping services, we use a third party that's been shipping for about 15 years and can ship anywhere in the US or worldwide. All our shippers are fully insured and bonded. And we'll go ahead and bring this vehicle down, so sorry about the noise as we bring it down. Again, as I mentioned, we offer shipping. We do offer financing options as well for those that need financing. Financing is on our website, so feel free to give us a call, again, at 941-355-1955. Our website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have several lenders, some that will do only classic cars, and others will do late models and some classics, so we can offer financing to almost all customers depending on what vehicle you're looking at. And we're almost done here again, sorry for the noise and the air in the background. As we get this 1957 on the ground, you'll be able to see the 283 with dual 4-barrel carburetors. It does have obviously upgraded brakes that did not come in 1957. So there's a couple small changes, but overall the car is restored to 1957 conditions. Beautiful, beautiful red interior. Does have a white soft top. Does not have a hard top. We'll go ahead and start the vehicle. Battery is disconnected while it's inside. So we'll go ahead and connect the battery here. And then get it fired up for everybody. It is a 4-speed. You can see the white seat belts, red interior. Make sure we're in neutral. Vehicle starts right up. There's about 41 miles approximately since the restoration. It sounds very nice out of exhaust. Engine is quiet. Hit exhaust. Doors shut very smooth. No smoke, water coming out, anything of that nature. Engine, as you can hear it, running very smooth. Sounds good. The paint is in excellent condition, obviously, for just a new restoration. Go ahead and rev it up a little bit. It's warm a little bit. Again, if you are interested in this or any other vehicle we have in inventory, please give us a call. 941-355-1955 or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com for this 1957 fully restored Corvette in white with the silver coves. Absolutely stunning car with the red interior, and of course 283 with the dual 4-barrel carburetors. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle. Again, we can be reached at 941-355-1955. Thank you.